feeling the strain of trying to hold on to their homes after losing their jobs or dealing with unexpected surprises like extended illnesses or a spike in mortgage rates.
There are ways to help avoid foreclosure and lower mortgage payments, and there's a Washington state law that aims to help homeowners, but a lot of people don't actually know about it. Attorney Jonathan Smith from Advantage Legal Group is back to tell us more. Jonathan.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
You've talked about the Foreclosure Fairness Act before. Can you briefly tell us about it, and for those who are watching and haven't heard that before?
A lot of people don't know about this. As an example for today, I had a family, an East Side family with 5 kids who lost their jobs about 3 or 4 years ago and went through the odyssey so many are going through. They tried to do a modification, were denied. They ended up in a bankruptcy, and then they ended up trying to short sell their home, and they never got any offers. And so finally the bank moved for relief from stay to foreclose, and they actually got a letter from me telling them about the Washington State Foreclosure Fairness Act. They had never heard of it because the banks don't tell you about it. Nobody's advertising it. And so they came to me, and we were able to put them into that process under Washington state law, and we got their mortgage into a 40-year fixed at 2%. Saved the home.
So the act actually takes them out of the process of foreclosure?
Correct.
Is that it?
Yeah, when you request it to the Washington State Department of Commerce, it stops the foreclosure process and allows us a chance to force the bank to come to the table to renegotiate their loan. And the problem is nobody knows about it.
Why doesn't anyone know about it?
They're not advertising. The state doesn't have any budget for advertising.
Yeah, I guess they don't have a marketing wing, huh?
No, they don't. They don't. So the word just isn't out there, and the news media hasn't really picked up on it. So people don't know, and the banks are not volunteering the information, that's for sure. So we give these seminars to get the information out to people. That's kind of our passion, is to get the information to the homeowners who think their situation is hopeless, and let them know that no, it is not. If this is your primary residence, you are likely to be able to get your bank to renegotiate your mortgage and save your home from foreclosure.
Wow. Is there a point that it gets too far? Do they need to sign up for this act early on? Or?
Yeah, the statute sets a opening window that opens upon the issuance of the notice of default, and then the window to request mortgage mediation closes 20 days after the recording of the notice of trustee sale in the county in which you live. So you have a window of opportunity. You also can't request it yourself. It has to be requested through a HUD-approved housing counselor or an attorney such as myself.
Okay, so you're an attorney, like you said. But you offer these free consultations and the free seminars. This is your passion. I mean, this is something you feel personally very passionate about.
Right, yeah. We're out there trying to get this information disseminated out there. People who want to keep their homes and have been trying to do these HAMP modifications that are a nightmare, and that there is a different way provided by our legislature here in Washington State that nobody knows about, and it's available to them.
Is there any one modification that people should avoid?
Only one modification? No. I mean, if you can get a modification done through a HAMP modification, you're happy with it, great. But this is for the people who've been trying and trying and trying, and they can't get there, and the house is being foreclosed on. The Washington State Legislature has stepped in, and they've given you a way to save your house from foreclosure. The problem, again, is nobody knows about it.
That last salvo.
Yeah.
Right, but now they do.
Now they do, I hope.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Advantage Legal Group has 2 free foreclosure defense seminars coming up. The first takes place tonight at 7 at the Linwood Convention Center. The second one takes place Saturday morning at 10 at the Hyatt Regency Hotel in Bellevue. We've posted more information online about the seminars, as well as how you can contact Jonathan and his team for a free consultation. Thank you.